Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real of the real. We all know the aftermath that happened last week with Spice. I will not replay it because you can find that everywhere. But Nightly Fix explains their take on what happened last week. And here's a clip of that.
I don't necessarily think an apology is needed for me. I'll say that. The smart thing for her to do was to apologize. She don't want to do it. She'll let ego cloud her judgment.
That's fine.
That's fine. I say it enough time.
Handle it differently.
It's not easy being criticized by the likes of me. Easy. I acknowledge that. Easy being an artist. They are different. I go back to a point we made previously. We can criticize you and we'll praise you. When you forget praise, and that thing, the video that we put out for Spice, we could have do it for any artist that it is claimed that we don't like. Or that we constantly bash. We could have do that for any artist. Call name.
I won't.
We can do a compilation of us saying good things about them as well.
Despite the events that happened last week, Spice's album reaches #1 on the Billboard reggae charts, surpassing Bob Marley's album. Last week, LolaaSmile performed at Gwaan Dancehall's 1-year anniversary, and a couple of days ago, she released her music video for Power of Love featuring Vybz Kartel. Here's a clip of that.
I killed them. Them was something more you haven't enough fit them. Was for me, can't be for you. Me and why, and I true. I got this feeling. Can do anything, move back. They think that they wanna step up on me, but not together. I got this. My pussy will bring you my life. That's why you crown me the wife. My love and my shock your mind. And now step up on me, never in a life. My love and my love and my love and my love.
Konshens uses negativity to spread positivity. He posted this caption under a 3-part video. Now, while the caption can be misleading, the video was actually very positive, thanking Noah Powa for his gratitude and appreciation for Konshens working with him on his latest remix for his song. Here's a clip of his Instagram video.
Noah, I do something for you, Zane, and I realize that from me do it, every chance we get, you show gratitude. You see me, you big me up on your page and you go live and you constantly I show gratitude from me do the one thing for you. See? And you don't know a beer joke me run, and I know how you feel like so true me run beer joke when you show gratitude, it a fly over my head. I pray it deep, because guess what? You see people, enough people, when you do things for them hide and tell you thanks, if them even tell you thanks.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.